Let's learn how to make shining effect like this. You can add this effect to sunglasses, watch, or any object. Let's open DaVinci Resolve. Select your image, drag and drop onto the timeline, and then right-click on it and open in Fusion page. In the Fusion page, add soft glow effect on it. Just press Ctrl or Command plus spacebar and search for soft glow and then add. Turn this off, we will adjust it later. Now add a matte control node from the toolbar. Connect the output of the matte control to the blue triangle of the soft glow node. Now grab a polygon from the toolbar and connect its output to the yellow triangle of the matte control node. It will try to connect to blue triangle automatically, but we need to reconnect with yellow triangle. Now make a polygon around the area where you want to add the shining effect. Take time to make a good and precise selection, and adjust it if needed. I am fast forwarding this part of video because it takes time. Once the mask is completed, you can see the mask in the left preview screen. Now grab a second polygon from the toolbar and connect it to the first polygon. Draw the second mask. I have already created a mask to keep this tutorial short, so I am connecting that polygon mask. You can see the mask in preview window. Now if we turn on the soft glow node, the effect is showing only in the masked area. Select the polygon mask and increase the soft edges so that edges don't look too sharp. Do same for the second polygon. Let's move these polygons upwards to make some space. Now add a rectangular mask and connect it to the garbage input of the matte control node. Bring the cursor on these little triangles. You will see their names. You can also see information about that particular triangle input here at the bottom left side. So, once you connected the rectangle to the garbage matte input, change its size according to the shine effect you want to make. Rotate a little bit. Now you can see the soft glow is showing only where the rectangular mask is intersecting our first two polygon masks. If it is not showing, select the matte control, go to the garbage matte and check this option to invert the mask. Now select the rectangle mask and increase its soft edge. Now select the soft glow. You can change settings of soft glow node and play with these options to make it look better as you want to. Now select the rectangle polygon mask and animate its position. Go to first frame and add keyframe on X-axis and move it leftwards, like this. And at the last frame move it rightwards to make animation like this. Let's play and check this effect. So this is the final result. Similarly, you can add this effect to any object. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video.